same model transmitter, same antenna, same height, same frequency. Okay, as you can see, this reflected power is stable, full power, and it's showing on bar the reflected frequency. Now let me show another transmitter. This one, this is the same model that I'll plug in, and let's check it out. I'll plug it, and also I need to remove the same antenna. After that we'll check it by replacing the antenna. Everywhere I said reflected frequency instead of reflected power, so it would be reflected power. Please forgive me, it was just my mistake. Just keep it here and I'll plug it this one. If you are new on my channel, do subscribe, and we will do a lot of experiment like this, and also range test. Also I will open the transmitter and I will check it out what chip is inside of this. Okay, so keep subscribe my channel. Tight it properly. Okay, done. The same antenna, same adapter, same model transmitter, but the transmitter is different. So now check it out in the same frequency. It's 15B. Cool. It is showing 2 bar of reflected frequency. I don't know what's the reason of it, but when I get closer to my hand there, then it's become 1. Maybe there's some problem with the grounding, and if I touch it, then the bar got 0 bar. Got the problem. It's if I release my hand from there, the reflected frequency is 2. The same model transmitter, I don't know what's the reason of it. I stay from there, it's also showing 2. So now what to do? I'll change the antenna, and I'll try to increase or decrease the length of the antenna. Maybe it's it's the problem of grounding or something like this. Okay, I'll change the adapter also. Okay. Okay, I'll turn off it, and I'll change the adapter. Have I changed it? Yes, so I'll get another antenna. So let me just change the antenna at first. The antenna. Here the antenna. This antenna is level. Let me extend it fully. Okay, I'll turn it. Yeah, now it is fine. When I extend it fully, the antenna, now it is cool, very cool. Okay, now if I touch this, the opposite thing. If I just touch the transmitter, the reflected frequency gets increased. Now let me just I'm showing you, just let me just decrease the length of the antenna a little bit. You should not try it. It's shocking little bit. Yeah, I'm just pressing it again. I'll just make little bit short the antenna. Is there any affection? Nothing. I'll just turn it off. Now what will I do? I will do the same thing. I'll do the same thing means one section I got. Okay, so this part I will decrease. So let me just do it. Okay, I have done it. One section I have done it. Okay, now you can see both the antennas length is same. The antenna length is same. Okay, now I'll check it. Yeah, with this antenna it is perfect. No, this length is not suitable for this transmitter. If I decrease the upper section, then it is showing reflected frequency is bar is 2, and if I increase it, then the reflected frequency is under control. I half I okay, I increased it little bit. Now the reflected frequency is in under control.